So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in run, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on enter. And now this will come up. Now you want to click on next, wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you want to click on enable, wait for this to load. And then once troubleshooting has been completed, you now want to head over to search and type in check for updates, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates, make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find the device that you're having a problem with. I'm guessing it's probably one of your USBs, it could be something else, but if it's your USB, you want to expand universal serial bus controllers. And now you want to find your device, you want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, we're going to get out of this. Now you want to right click on your device, and then click on disable device. Once you disable your device, you now want to right click on it again, and then click on enable device. See if that works for you. Another thing you could try is just unplug it and then plug it back in. And then for the last method, you just want to simply restart your computer, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.